Good morning to all of you. So we have started this chapter, simultaneous linear equation. In this we have discussed two methods. First one was first one was substitution method, and then we have discussed till elimination method. Now we will discuss the third method, that is cross multiplication method. So in order to use this method, the first thing that we have to do, we have to bring all the constants that are written on the right hand side to the left hand side. Like this, I have written a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now what I have written, I have taken the coefficients of x. For finding the coefficient of x, I have written the coefficients of y and constant as separately. Then what I have written for calculating the coefficient of, here I am calculating minus y. So I have written the coefficients of x and constant. Then for finding the value of the constant term, I have written the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. And this is how I am going to do the multiplication from left to right. So when I found the value of x, I will hide the constants of x, coefficients of x, and this is how I will get b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Then for finding the value of minus y, see it will be a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Then for finding the value of the constant term, this I will hide and I will multiply these coefficients. So it will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. After you find these values, what you have to do, you will write it like this: x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon this term, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and what will be y? It will be a2 c1 minus a1 c2 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so these are the values of x and y that you will get. Okay, so first requirement is you have to write the linear equations in this form. Then for finding the value of x, we will hide the coefficient of x. Then we will do the multiplication from left to right. Then for finding the value of y, we will write minus y. We will hide the coefficients of y. And again, we will do the left to right. Then for finding the constant, we will hide the constant and I will multiply these x and y together from left to right multiplications. After that, we will compare these two values with this constant term and I will get these values of x and y. So this is how we will use the cross multiplication method to solve the problems. So let's discuss few problems related to this. So okay, so next exercise, that is 6C, and very first question is 4x plus 3y is equals to 17 and 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So we have to solve this equation using the cross multiplication method. So if you see this equation, in this constant term is written on the right hand side. So I will take this constant term here and this equation will be 4x plus 3y minus 17 equals to 0. So my both equations are now in the form that we need. Then next what I am going to do, I will write it like this: x and this is minus y and this is 1. Now for finding the value of x, we will hide the coefficient of x and we will multiply 6 and 3 together, that is 6 into 3. We will put the minus sign, and minus 4 and minus 17 together, that is minus 4 into minus 17. For finding the value of x, we will hide this y. So what is left? 6 into 4. This 6 into 4 minus 17 into 3. Then for finding the value of constant, we will hide this and we will do the left to right multiplication. Minus 4 into minus 4 minus 3 into 3. Okay. Then it will be 18 minus 68 equals to minus y upon 24 plus 51 is equals to 1 upon minus 16 minus 9. So this is what we get, minus 50. This is y upon minus 75 and this is 1 upon minus 25. Okay. Then we will compare them one by one like this, equal to 1 upon minus 25. So what is x? So x will be 2. So this is the value of x. Then we will compare y. Y upon minus 75 equal to 1 upon minus 25. So y we will get minus 25, that is 3. Okay. So we have solved these two linear equations and we have found the value of x and y using this cross multiplication method. Okay, let's discuss one more problem. So in this we have to find the value of x and y, and these are the two linear equations. So first thing that we will do, we will bring all the constant terms on left hand side like I have taken. Now I will write x upon minus y upon, and this is 1. So similarly we will hide the coefficient of x and we will multiply minus 8 into 4 minus 11 into 3. Then for hiding the y, we will have 3 into minus 8 minus 11 into 2. Then for finding the constant, this is 3 into 3 minus 4 into 2. Okay. So this will be minus 32 plus 33 minus y upon minus 24 plus 22 equals to 1 upon 9 minus 8. So it will be x upon 1. This will be minus y upon minus 2 and it is 1 upon 1. So minus minus cancel. We will get x equal to 1. And y upon 2 equal to 1, that is y equal to 2. Okay, so if we have the good knowledge of finding the multiplication from left to right, then you can easily find the value of x and y by using the cross multiplication method. Okay, suppose a question is like this: 4x minus 3y is equals to 0. 2x plus 3y is equals to 18. Okay, now in this question no constant term is there, so I will write 4x minus 3y plus 0 is equals to 0. Since adding the 0 will not alter the equation, and here I will bring this 18, so it is minus 18 is equals to 0. Next, what we are going to do, x, this is minus y and this is 1. So for x, we will hide the coefficient of x, this I have hidden, then it will be minus 3 into minus 18 minus 0 into 3. Okay. Then for hiding finding the y, this I will hide. So what I will get, minus 18 into 4 minus what is left, 0 into 2. Then for finding the constant, this I will hide. So it will be 4 into 3 minus 2 into minus 3. So it will be minus 54. It will be plus 54, minus minus plus, and minus 0 will give you 54. Then minus y upon minus 72 equal to 1 upon 12 plus 6. That is x upon 54, minus minus cancel, y upon 72 and 1 upon 18. Then let's compare x upon 54 equal to 1 upon 18. So x will be 54 upon 18, that is 3. Then y upon 72 equal to 1 upon 18. So y will be 72 upon 18, that is 4. So if no constant term is there, then you can add a 0 in the form of the constant term. Okay, do not add 1 or any other number. You can only write 0 here, no any other number. Okay, let's discuss question number 11th. So it is 0.4x minus 1.5y is equals to 6.5, and 0.3x plus 0.2y is equals to 0.9. Okay, so decimals are there. So what we are going to do first, if you don't want to use the decimals, so what you can do, you can multiply both sides by 10. Here I am multiplying both sides by 10. So it becomes 4x minus 15y is equals to 65, and it becomes 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. Okay, so I have removed the decimals. Now see, this equation is now familiar one. What we are going to do, we are going to take 65 here. So it becomes minus 65 is equals to 0, and it becomes minus 9 is equals to 0. Next, this is x, this is minus y, and this is 1. So here I am hiding this. Here I am hiding this x. So when you hide the x, what you will get? Minus 15 into minus 9 minus 2 into minus 65. Then after hiding the y, what you will get? Minus 9 into 4 minus 65 into 3. Then after hiding this constant, what you will get? 4 into 2 minus 15 into 3. So this is 135 plus 130 minus 36 plus 195, 8 plus 45. Okay, so this is x upon 265 minus y upon 159, that 2 of minus, not plus, and 1 upon 53. So 265 is equals to 1 upon 53. So x will be 265 upon 53. That is 5. So this is the value of x. Then minus y upon 159 equals to 1 upon 53. So what is y? So this is minus Okay. So if you are facing the decimals in the problem, you can remove the decimals by suitable multiplication of power of 10. Like here, after decimal only one digit was there, so I have multiplied by 10 in both the equations. Then you transform these equations that we need in cross multiplication method. Then similarly you calculate x minus y and 1. Then you will compare them individually and you will find the value of x and y. Okay, so one more question to discuss. We will discuss this question also. Root 3y is equals to 0. Root 5x plus root 2y is equals to 0. Okay. Now, there is no constant here in both the equations. So what we are going to do? We are add 0 in these two equations. Then x minus y and 1. Okay. Then if we hide this x, what you will get? Minus root 3 into 0 minus 0 into root 2. Then if I hide this y, I will get root 2 into 0 minus 0 into root 5. And if I hide this constant, what I will get? Root 2 into root 2 minus root 3 into root 5. Okay, so this will be definitely 0. This is again 0 and this is 2 plus root 15. Since we cannot write the things like this, x upon 0, so what is x? X will be 0 upon 2 plus root 15, that is 0. And y is also 0 upon 2 plus root 15, and anything divided, if anything divides the 0, answer will be 0. So this is my answer, x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, so we have seen how to solve the equations using the cross multiplication method, and the things that we need is the equation should be in this form only. If it is not, you can make it by putting the suitable sign and bringing the constants on the left hand side. So this is the end of this exercise and this method.